I'll tell you what, our guy in this white truck has some confidence. He started his backup from way out there, and so far, it looks like he might have been a little overconfident as he does a massive Boynton wobble as he tries to bring it back. Welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Boynton Beach. And oh, he's gonna jackknife it, gotta watch it. And he catches it, trying to straighten it back out. And gonna start again, but I mean, it's interesting because when I see somebody start that far out there, you think, oh, they've got it down. They know what they're doing. I mean, they gave themselves a long run. And looking a little better right here in the second chance attempt. Oh, gotta watch out. Heading toward the dock now. Swings it back hard, but the truck's gonna probably be in an odd spot. This is gonna wind up really close to the dock, and he winds up having to stop, and he's probably gonna have to pull this one forward again. The struggle is real down here at Boynton today, as our guy is having a rough time trying to get this back. Good angle in line this time, though, looking pretty solid. Oh, we're going to get a twofer on this one. If you look up to the top right, we've got a jet ski trailer, and our guy is all kinds of out of whack up there as well. So kind of getting it back to the right angle with the jet ski on the right-hand side. Our guy on the left has got it in the water. But once again, oh, I wish my camera guy would have moved over a little bit more on this one, because he is definitely close to the trees on this side. Gonna be a tight one. I mean, he's got to be going into the woods over there, and he's almost gonna run over the dock with his truck. Makes the turn there last second, but there's no way he's getting that in over there. He's gonna have to reset this up. And man, it just fell in the hole on that side. These ramps are just absolutely beat up at this point. So he gets out and inspects the situation. I don't think he's going to like what he's looking at. And he's going to have to reline that one up for sure. So our white truck is going to pull out here in a moment. And I think they'll be okay. We've seen a lot of struggles down here at Boynton recently, people not being able to get their boats out of the water, but I mean, I think he's in an F-250, which is probably a little bit of overkill for the boat he's got in the back. So our jet ski trailer, as we figured, he's pulling forward again, gonna try and reline this one up one more time. Kind of starting off the wrong direction again. He's got to get that wheel turned. There we go. But I think he's overdone it again. He's overshot his mark. Front tires on the dock. And this thing's jackknifed, heading straight into the dock. And that was no better. That's the tough part with those single jet ski trailers. When they start getting out of whack, it all happens so fast. So finally we're able to get off the white truck, and we're just going to focus on our jet ski trailer now. And he's still coming in at a funky angle. The problem is where the jet ski trailer is sitting behind his truck right now, he can't see it. He might be able to see it in his left mirror now. But at that point when you can see it, it's already too late. I mean, the best thing he could have done here was drop the tailgate, lifted the cover off the bed a little bit to where you can see the trailer. And you can tell it's dropping in a hole right there as well, which is just not good. So it looks like he's going to pull out and try and line this one back up again. Oh, he's pulling all the way out. And he's going to switch docks where he'll have a little more room to try and maneuver. I mean, I guess this is kind of a smart move. Again, coming in just at some crazy funky angles, though. I mean, at least he's got some room to work over here, but man, he almost is jackknifing it again. I mean, he's definitely taking a difficult approach with this. Like I said, the jet ski trailers, if you can't see it, it's hard, man. And, I mean, if you drop the tailgate, though, it is so easy. So little Boynton wobble action as he tries to get it back down the ramp. The good news here, I mean, he can basically use both these ramps. So he's just got to get it back down there and he'll be all right. So coming down at an angle, but again, it really doesn't matter, as nobody's using the dock on the other side, or at least the ramp, excuse me, on the other side. Obviously, the boat that's docked there is not even facing the right direction to get pulled out. So he's got the trailer wet. I mean, that's about all you need for the jet ski. I would just leave it right there, bro. But nope, he's going to keep going back, and he's going to completely bury this trailer. And it's at an awkward angle again, but I mean, he's buried it so deep, I think he'll be able to just pull the jet ski right over the top of it anyway. So we've at least got that part done. Now he's got to get the jet ski back over here and see if he can squeeze it behind this boat and onto the trailer. So he's going to get it started up. Going to have to turn it around. Oh, he's going the wrong way. There's rocks over there, bro. You're going to want to watch. You'll see the top of him right over there. He's over the top of him. I don't know if he missed him or not. You can see it sticking out right behind where his jet wash is, but that's nothing but a bunch of big rocks over there. And he looked back. My guess is he went over the top of one of them. I didn't see the jet ski bob or anything, though. So let's see if he can get it on the trailer. Again, trailer's basically behind this boat. Kind of tough to see because he buried it deep enough we can't see any of the bunks. But that might be to his advantage. That's the only thing I think he has going for him right here. Even though the trailer's at a funky angle, he buried it so deep, I think he can just get over the top of it. He's not going to have to ride up the bunks. He's just going to pull the ski right over it. And I think he's going to be good to go, probably, as long as the ski kind of stays above the trailer, because he's got it buried so deep that I don't know if it's going to stay. Did he fall off? No, he's good. He's good to go. And I think he's going to be good to go from here. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.